Have you ever experienced muscle cramps, fatigue, or even mood swings? These could be signs of an underlying issue that often goes unnoticed, magnesium deficiency. But fear not. In this video, we'll explore a delicious solution to this problem. Get ready to discover 12 magnesium-rich foods that can help restore balance to your body and enhance your well-being. Magnesium, the unsung hero of our bodies, plays a pivotal role in numerous bodily functions. From supporting muscle and nerve function to maintaining a healthy heart rhythm, magnesium is a vital nutrient that should not be overlooked. Now let's dive into 12 fantastic foods that are rich in magnesium and explore how they can help address your magnesium needs. Remember, incorporating a variety of these foods into your diet might contribute to achieving optimal magnesium levels. Number 1. Spinach. Popeye was onto something. Spinach is not only packed with iron, but is also a fantastic source of magnesium. This leafy green can help support muscle and nerve function, promote healthy blood pressure, and aid in energy production. Considering the magnesium content in spinach, consuming 100 grams, 3.5 ounces of raw spinach would provide approximately 20% of the daily recommended intake for an adult male and around 25-26% for an adult female. Number 2. Almonds. These crunchy nuts are a true magnesium powerhouse. Almonds are also rich in healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. They have been linked to improved heart health, reduced inflammation, and better blood sugar control. Consuming a 1-ounce serving of almonds, providing around 75-80 milligrams of magnesium, it would contribute approximately 23-25% of your daily magnesium requirement. Almonds make for a convenient and nutritious snack and can also be added to salads, oatmeal, or homemade granola. Number 3. Avocado. Aside from being a trendy toast topper, avocados are a rich source of magnesium, healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, and various vitamins and minerals. They can promote heart health, aid digestion, contribute to healthy skin and hair, and even support cognitive function. Consuming a medium-sized avocado would provide approximately 18% of your daily magnesium requirement. Avocados are a versatile ingredient that can be used in salads, sandwiches, wraps, or as a creamy addition to smoothies. Number 4. Black beans. Black beans are not only delicious, but also a great source of fiber, vegetarian protein, magnesium, and other minerals like iron and potassium. They can help regulate blood sugar levels, support gut health, and provide sustained energy. Consuming a 1-cup serving of black beans would provide approximately 37.5-40% of your daily magnesium requirement. Black beans can be used in a variety of dishes such as soups, stews, salads, or even as a filling for tacos and burritos. Number 5. Salmon. This flavorful fish is not just a treat for the taste buds, but also a fantastic source of magnesium. Salmon is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, high-quality protein, and vitamin D. Salmon can contribute to heart health and support brain function. The magnesium content in a 3-ounce serving of salmon, 26-30 milligrams, account for approximately 8-10% of the daily recommended intake. It can be grilled, baked, or pan-seared, and makes for a delicious and nutritious addition to your meals. Number 6. Dark chocolate. Yes, you heard it right. Dark chocolate in moderation can be a delightful source of magnesium. Dark chocolate with a high cocoa content, at least 70% cocoa, is a treat that not only satisfies your sweet tooth, but also provides magnesium, antioxidants, and flavonoids. Enjoy it in moderation as a dessert or snack. Indulging in a square or two can help elevate your mood, support cardiovascular health, and provide antioxidant benefits. Liking our video so far? Before we move on to the next food, don't forget hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our new informative videos. Now let's pick up where we left off. Number 7. Quinoa. Known as a superfood, quinoa is a nutrient-dense grain that contains magnesium, protein, fiber, and various other nutrients. Incorporating quinoa into your meals can help maintain healthy blood sugar levels, support digestion, and provide essential amino acids. The magnesium content in 1 cup of cooked quinoa, 118 milligrams, account for approximately 39% of the daily recommended intake. It can be used as a substitute for rice, added to salads, used in grain bowls, or used as a stuffing for vegetables. Number 8. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, are packed with magnesium, healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. Munching on pumpkin seeds can help regulate blood pressure, support bone health, and provide essential minerals. On average, A 1 ounce, 28-gram, serving of pumpkin seeds contains approximately 150-160 milligrams of magnesium, which account for approximately 37.5 to 53% of the daily recommended intake. They make a nutritious snack on their own, can be added to salads or trail mixes, or used as a crunchy topping for dishes. Number 9. Yogurt. Creamy and delicious. Yogurt is not only a fantastic source of probiotics, but also contains magnesium. Enjoying a serving of yogurt can contribute to gut health, support bone density, and promote a healthy immune system. The magnesium content in yogurt can vary depending on the type and brand. On average, a 1 cup, 245 grams, serving of plain yogurt contains approximately 30-40 milligrams of magnesium, which account for approximately 7.5 to 13.3% of the daily recommended intake. Choose plain yogurt or varieties with minimal added sugars and enjoy it on its own, in smoothies, or as a base for savory dips and dressings. Number 10. Bananas. This popular fruit is not only a convenient snack, but also a good source of magnesium. Bananas can help regulate blood pressure, support heart health, and provide natural electrolytes. Bananas not only provide magnesium, but are also a great source of potassium, vitamin C, and dietary fiber. On average, a medium-sized banana, approximately 118 grams, contains approximately 32 milligrams of magnesium. It accounts for approximately 8.0% of the daily recommended intake. They make for a convenient and portable snack, can be blended into smoothies or sliced over oatmeal and yogurt. Number 11. Soybeans. Soybeans and soy products like tofu and tempeh are not only rich in magnesium, but also rich in protein, fiber, and other beneficial compounds. Soybeans are a good source of magnesium, with approximately 86 milligrams per half cup serving, cooked. This makes them a valuable food for meeting your magnesium needs. Soybeans can be enjoyed in various forms. They can be cooked and used as a standalone dish, added to salads, stir-fries, or soups. Number 12. Lentils. These legumes are not only a good source of magnesium, but also provide protein, fiber, and other important nutrients. Lentils are a good source of magnesium, with approximately 36 milligrams per half cup serving, cooked. They contribute to meeting your magnesium requirements while providing other health-promoting nutrients. Lentils are versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes. They cook relatively quickly compared to other legumes and are commonly used in soups, stews, curries, salads, and side dishes. They absorb flavors well and are often seasoned with herbs and spices to enhance their taste. If you suspect you have a magnesium deficiency or are considering making significant dietary changes, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional. They can assess your specific needs, provide personalized advice, and ensure you receive appropriate care. We've unlocked the treasure trove of magnesium-rich foods, and now it's your turn to share your experience. Have you incorporated any of these foods into your diet? How has it impacted your well-being? Join the conversation in the comments below, and let's inspire each other to embrace a magnesium-rich lifestyle. Remember, small changes in your diet can have a big impact on your health. Stay curious, stay informed, and nourish your body with the power of magnesium. Until next time.